Shopping in Saudi Arabia with the Arabs, it's like they are 5 and 6. They will do shopping no matter what day, no matter what. Shopping to them is 5 and 6. Our mini grocery was in. Yes, there are some things that we didn't have, and our madam decided to bring them in. So welcome to my channel, where I do different activities or different lifestyle as a housemaid in Saudi Arabia. Here I share with you what I do as a housemaid. Like I told you, there are very many activities we do, but it depends on how you plan yourself. Make sure you watch this video to the end and see the small birthday celebrations we made for my baba. He doesn't like birthdays, yeah, but he's that type of person who would normally want to make small surprises for the people around him, despite him not wanting to celebrate his birthday. So make sure you watch this video until the end and see the surprise birthday party my madam and we, the people around him, that we decided to do what, to celebrate him. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, can subscribe. Yes, and this is my channel where I do my different hustle, and this is my lifestyle. These are my activities of the day. Can you believe it that this wardrobe, I arranged it one day back? Just look at it the following day how it is. But anyway, that's my job, that's my hustle. I'm supposed to do it. Let me leave you to watch the video as I take you along and also see the small birthday celebration we did for my boss. Today is my Baba's birthday. Yes, he doesn't like celebrations, but my madam always makes sure that on his birthday, a birthday celebration is always made, however small it is. This is my gift. It was a perfume that I told my madam to buy so that I give it as a gift to him. He was sleeping. He didn't know anything that was happening. Like I told you, he doesn't normally celebrate his birthday, but his wife normally does it. In this house, my madam celebrates each and everyone's birthday, including me, myself. So they came in and we had to wake him up. Like I told you, he doesn't like celebrations, but he is good at making surprises for all of us in the house. One day he can wake up and he will surprise us with different gifts, all of us, unexpectedly. So my madam is always there to make his husband happy. So we woke him up and he was really surprised. Like I told you, he doesn't like surprises. He was sleeping since he was sick. Yeah, he was sick. So when we woke him up, he was very happy. He didn't imagine that we are doing his birthday. That's why you see him there. He came in, he was like, what is happening in the house? And we're like, it's your birthday. So my madam said, you don't like birthdays, but I have to celebrate you because you are a good man. He is sick, but we are so happy to celebrate with him. And that's him. His children were giving him hugs and kisses because that's what is normally done here. And me, I also came in and told him happy birthday to him, as I also gifted him my birthday. What I love about these bosses of mine, they are good at giving us surprises, despite however little it is. Like I told you, my madam likes gifting me and also gifting her children. And I told you, my bosses are very... He was happy despite him being sick, and my madam likes always surprising him. So guys, this was his birthday, however small it was. My madam was like, we have to celebrate him. So guys, have you celebrated your loved ones? Just if you haven't, kindly celebrate them because life is too short. Like I told you, I'm allowed to take videos as long as I don't show my madam and the older daughter's face, but the rest is very okay. And also my baba is very okay. So that was my cake. We are just there celebrating a little celebration which was called for. So guys, kindly subscribe, like and share, hit the notification bell. We meet in my next video.